Hi, Molly Mason. All right, so for today's math practice, we're going to keep going with subtraction. Subtraction using place value, kind of the old way you know how to do, right? We're going to start with the ones, subtract, move to the tens. Sometimes we're going to have to borrow, and sometimes we're not going to. But then we're going to add the added step of using addition to check our work for each one. Okay, so we'll do a couple together. All right, so you ready? Let's start with number 1. We're going to start in our ones place. 8 minus 2 is 6. Look at that. 1 minus 5. Can't do that. So I'm going to go next door. I'm going to borrow. My 9 is going to become an 8. Ooh, uh-oh. And my 1 is going to become 11. Now yours is going to look much neater than mine, but 11 minus 5 is 6. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So our difference, hold on, I can't make that a 2. Whoa! Sorry about that. Our difference is 266. Well, we know that the opposite of subtraction is addition, so I'm going to add these numbers going up to check my answer. I'm going to take my difference, 266, see if I can write it over here, 66, and I'm going to add it to 652 and see if I get 918. Ready? 6 plus 2 is 8. Oh, that was a good 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. Put my 1 down. Carry my 1 up. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 more is 9. Now, hopefully yours are not as scooched together as mine. Hopefully you can give yourself, whoa, a little bit more space. I'm not very good using that thing, am I? Okay. But do you see how we subtracted 918 minus 652 and we found the difference was 266? And to check it, we're going to use addition because addition and subtraction are inverses. We're going to take 266 plus 652 and we're going to see if we get 918, which we did. So we know that we were right. If this number isn't the same as that number, then we know we did something wrong. Okay, let's try one more together. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. 3 minus 8, oh, I can't do that, so I'm going to go next door. The 7 becomes a 6. Whoa, the 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then I'm going to take this number and add it to this number and see if I get that number. And if I do, then I know I was right. So I'm going to do 554 plus 284. 4 plus 4 is 8. Whoa! 5 plus 8 is 13. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 738. I did it. Okay. So for each of the remaining questions, so 3 through 12, you're going to solve the subtraction problem, and then right next to it, you're going to use an addition fact. You're going to do an addition problem to show that your answer is correct. Okay, so you're going to solve what's there and then show it, prove it using addition. Solve it, prove it. Solve it, prove it. Solve it, prove it. Solve it, prove it. Have fun.